Okay guys, kumain kami dito sa Dick's Burger. Yan, Dick's Burger. Sabi ni Father, kasi sarap daw ng In-N-Out. Ako tingin ko naman, mabilis siyang kainin. And yung In-N-Out kasi parang yung tinapay niya medyo makakapal. This one is like soft and then parang original lahat. And then yung french fries, ang sarap, grabe. Hindi nila binalatan, no? Hindi binalatan, parang...
Five Guys too.
Oo, parang natural yung ano niya, yung ingredients.
I think that's a sweet potato.
Ano? Ang lapi yung mihingi, oh! Uy! Ang spice ka ninyo na. Yum! Tartar sauce.
Masarap daw yun, sabi niya.
Tikman mo muna naman, baka yung magustuhan.
Masarap.
Ang dami nila nagpa-park na, nagkakain sa kotse. Presko kasi. Presko eh!
Akala ko dine-in.
Hindi pala.
Nahanap ko yung pinto. Wala ko yun. Pero malaki yung bintana. Can I help you? Oh, I was looking for the door. It's your first time, huh? Yeah.
$5 for one burger and ano yun, with french fries or just the burger?
The burger is $5. The price is $2.
So $7 with fries. So comment kayo guys kung tingin nyo makatarungan yung price.
It's better than
Or
McDonald's or Burger King.
I don't know how much is McDonald's, but we're not gonna eat there because it's full of crap. Madaro, ay palagay na niya. Thank you. Tubig na tayo guys. But their french fries. Ay pakita. Natusok ko yung... Okay. Let's see the fries. Oy. Ayun yung fries, oh. Pag Pilipino ka, you look it. Katamaran ka kasi it looks like sagi. But it's yummy. It's way better dun sa fries ng ano. Yung price ng McDonald's kasi yung sa McDonald's parang yung oil niya pinapataba. It makes the fries thicker, fatter. This one's organic. May balat pa. They didn't peel it, so the skin is included. Kami magdadrive na, naka-seatbelt na lahat. Punta kami ng park. Okay, see you later.
Hindi mo dapat kanina pa nag-crib si Father ng burger.
Kanina pa rin nagkikrib si Father ng burger kasi naamoy niya yung usok doon sa may licensing. Pagpunta namin doon sa may burger, naka-record naman yun, sarado. Kaya pala madilim. So, andun lang yun sa may kabila, doon sa may kabilang street. And then, dito kami sa Dick's ngayon, ha? Ito, Dick's. Sikat yan. Diyan yeah, that's where I think ito yung si Bill Gates favorite niya tong Dick's Burger. You can search it. Bill Gates favorite burger, Dick's Burger. No.
I was with Dick's. I only know Dick's is the sport.
Yeah.
Isa lang ang Dick's dito. Wala sa atin.